This is the comfortable fit because I'm gonna be traveling for 6 hours plus. Yeah. Let's go. Hello to my YouTube family. It's been a minute, right? But I hope you're doing well because I haven't. My mental health has been deteriorating so badly that I had to take a pause from YouTube. It got worse when I recently just buried my older brother 2 months ago due to chronic illnesses and sicknesses all at once that attacked him. Kidney failure, lung failure, soon turning into cancer and more. It hurts. It broke me, especially having to navigate my academic life as a third-year student and life on its own. So my dad decided to take us to Botswana just to be out of the cities, connect with nature, and just find some sense of self, because we all mourn differently, heal differently, and have a different take into life. So this trip is just about finding the joy in the midst of the pain, healing, spending quality time with the family, valuing each other, supporting each other, and building memories up until we kind of feel whole again. I hope you enjoy this vlog.
Yes, there we go.
Good morning. Guys, it's so hot here, and apparently it's raining in South Africa. It's been raining. I'm going to go have breakfast with my family. I don't know what's going on today because it's Christmas Eve. So I think I'm gonna just go buy like things that are needed, because there's a bunch of things that we kind of forgot when we're at home. And also, guys, I reinstalled my hair because what? Guys, never use that lace tint thing. This is my mommy. We're wearing the same. It's time to do meditation.
Hi. We are wearing the same t-shirts.
So we just have finished having breakfast, and then I came back to quickly do my makeup. I love it so much. Like, I like it. I was trying the foundation stick from Essence. Normally I use the foundation liquid, and the foundation stick has been a life changer. Hey, I love it so much. I like natural makeup, guys. I love how I styled my hair. Let us go. Show me how you care. Tell me how
50 cent one
you love.
5 pula.
Good morning, Yala. I hope you're feeling blessed and highly favored. Today, my family and I are going to go have a Christmas dinner. We have some mini activity planned out. I did my makeup, guys. I think I'm starting to love how I do my makeup. I'm sounding so excited, but I'm starting to really love how I do my makeup. It turned out really clean, man. I love a clean look. My brothers, we are now going to the what do we call this activity? Boating? Is it boat riding?
This one is is that there's a season for everything. And the Bible verse I think of is Ecclesiastes 3. For everything there is a season, a time for every activity under heaven, a time to be born and a time to die, a time to plant and a time to harvest, a time to kill and a time to heal, a time to tear down and a time to build up, a time to cry and a time to laugh, a time to grieve and a time to dance, a time to scatter stones and a time to gather stones, a time to embrace and a time to turn away, a time to search and a time to quit searching, a time to keep and a time to throw away, a time to tear and a time to mend, a time to be quiet and a time to speak, a time to love and a time to hate, a time for war and a time for peace. There's a season for everything. The Bible speaks about it. Life comes with losses. Yeah, life comes with wins for sure, but it definitely comes with losses, and you just have to be prepared. And I feel like the reason I'm so at peace in my life is just because I've made peace with all that is happening, all that has happened. I can't change things, you know. All I can do is put my best foot forward. And sometimes you lose relationships, sometimes you lose a job, sometimes you lose people in your life, quite literally to death. And I don't think any of those things get easier. I think that you just have to allow yourself to feel what you're feeling in the moment and acknowledge that, you know, like, life is hard, guys. Life is hard, hey? Like, I know they say the older we get, it should get easier. I don't think that's the case. I think I'm just learning to deal with things a lot better. And I think a lot of the mistakes I made were just mistakes and growing pains, but they were also due to the fact that I didn't know better. And you have to obviously give yourself grace in the fact that you're not always going to know what to do, and you don't always know better. And what I know now is not what I knew then. And the younger version of you just deserves a lot of grace and love. You know, when I think about Gugu in her early 20s, I often think about just hugging her.
Good morning, guys. Yet another day. My family and I are going for quad biking. Then we're going to go watch lions and stuff like that, I think. And also go on a water park. It's so hot here in Botswana. Going to go view lions. That's our next stop. Guys, not have a meet. Hello guys, welcome to another day. My family and I are going to Botswana National Museum, and then we're going to go shop for Botswana traditional attires that you could take with us to South Africa. Like my family and I have this thing where when we go to different countries or different places, we just buy things from that place to take with us at home. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm wearing this dress that I got from Mr. Pras, and I got this thingies. I don't know for how much, but I also got it from Mr. Pras. And yeah, simple outfit. Let us go, girl. I decided that let me have a self-care day. Let me have a self-care day where I'm reading my favorite book, 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. I'm almost done. I'm on page 329 and the last page is page 441. 440. Hey man, number 441, yes. So I'm just going to be reading throughout the rest of the night, and then I'm going to be journaling, then I'm going to be Bible studying. Yeah, man, during this 10 days of me being here, I really want to catch up on my life, focus on my sense of self, discover my 2026 goals, do a self-reflection on things to improve about myself. Anything that pours into my cup, that is my main aim. Improving my mental health, my body, getting ready before next year, because next year I'm doing my 4th and final year and it's going to take too much of my energy, so I'm taking this vacation as a thing to really get back on my feet, yeah. To my YouTube family, there were parts in this video that I didn't add. Parts of myself praying, 3 a.m. in the morning, Bible studying, meditating, because I felt that was private and I wanted to deeply pray and connect with God without a camera. But all I want to say is that through this vacation I feel whole again. I found my sense of self, especially spending quality time with my family, waking up super early in the morning to journal, navigate my goals for the next year, things to improve about myself, to be a better version of myself. And just like me, you can also do it. It's never too late to get your spark back. Thank you for watching this vlog right up until the end. Sizothini indaba zami azibona impumelelo yami wemama nizobuya.